The intensifying anticipation surrounding the unreleased next-generation handheld gimbal camera, tentatively dubbed the Osmo Pocket 4, has reached a fever pitch over recent weeks, with a torrent of highly credible tech leaks and insider speculation finally lending tangible weight to the notion of a monumental creator camera overhaul, an evolution that, if the reported specifications prove accurate, will undoubtedly represent the most significant generational leap the entire Pocket series has witnessed since its inception, fundamentally redefining the portable filmmaking landscape and firmly positioning this miniature stabilized camera not merely as a convenient travel companion but as a professional-grade vlogging and content creation tool, thereby captivating the attention of the global YouTube community, TikTok creators, and cinematic videographers. The conversation, which began as mere whisperings within dedicated filmmaking forums and private tech groups, truly exploded when multiple reliable, verified leak accounts independently started corroborating the existence of a single, colossal video resolution upgrade, a groundbreaking 6K video capability at a smooth, universally usable 30 frames per second, an advancement that alone dramatically shifts the perceived utility of the Pocket 4 from a niche action camera alternative into a powerhouse device that serious filmmakers and professional digital nomads can seamlessly integrate into their high-stakes production workflows. Because this massive 6K resolution fundamentally empowers the editor with unprecedented post-production flexibility, offering immense digital real estate for non-destructive digital zoom, essential reframing for varying aspect ratios, superior image stabilization processes in post, and the ability to punch into the frame without the image quality deteriorating into unusable pixelation. A stark contrast to the Pocket 3's commendable but now relatively restrictive ceiling of 4K video, meaning this new level of extra resolution will unequivocally lead to cleaner, more versatile edits, greater color grading control, and a significant improvement in overall final output quality, making the final product more cinematic and highly rankable on all major social media platforms. But where the true game-changer resides, and the aspect most likely to genuinely catch even seasoned video creators off guard, are the highly volatile yet persistently resurfacing slow-motion rumors, with the majority of sources confidently suggesting that the company will, at a minimum, retain and optimize the existing 4K 120 frames per second high-speed capture mode, ensuring breathtaking ultra-slow motion capabilities at a highly detailed resolution. Yet a compelling minority of insider sources are persistently hinting at a truly revolutionary addition, the availability of 4K 240 frames per second, a frame rate and resolution combination previously unheard of in a device of this microscopic form factor. Should this unprecedented 4K 240 frames per second slow-motion feature materialize, it would mark an unparalleled first for the Pocket lineup, completely obliterating the need for creators to drop down to the visibly softer, lower-fidelity 1080p slow-mo setting just to achieve that impossibly smooth, fluid motion, a massive compromise that has plagued previous generations, and the reality of a true pocket-sized camera capable of shooting incredibly crisp, detail-rich high-speed video at 240 frames per second is the kind of technological breakthrough that instantly elevates the camera's value proposition on a global film set or for any fast-paced travel videography project. Another prominent Pocket 4 leak that has garnered widespread community attention is the critical, fundamental alteration to the camera's mechanical panning freedom, addressing a long-standing physical design limitation. The predecessor, the Pocket 3, despite its excellent 3-axis stabilization, still suffered from noticeable gimbal rotation limits that could become an infuriating obstacle when attempting complex tracking shots, executing seamless cinematic wraparound shots, or simply maintaining a subject without hitting the dreaded rotation hardstop, resulting in frustratingly ruined takes. The new wave of Pocket 4 rumors emphatically points to the inclusion of full 360 degrees panning on the mechanical gimbal's yaw axis, a monumental functional redesign that would effectively remove one of the single biggest physical restrictions on the entire gimbal camera system, translating directly into cleaner, uninterrupted movement clips, vastly improved ActiveTrack performance, and a massive reduction in the number of discarded clips due to the camera physically bumping against its rotational boundary. A huge win for dedicated vloggers and action cam enthusiasts alike. However, perhaps the most fascinating, most conceptually intriguing piece of the Osmo Pocket 4 information floating through the leak sphere transcends mere resolution or gimbal movement. It is the radical potential change to the image sensor itself. While industry consensus holds that the company is expected to maintain the overall 1-inch type sensor size, which offers exceptional low-light performance and pleasing depth of field compared to smaller sensors, numerous trusted insiders now believe the camera will not utilize the traditional rectangular sensor format. Instead, the Pocket may forth adopt a square or at least a near-square sensor design. This seemingly minor dimensional change is, in fact, a deeply clever engineering solution that solves a multitude of critical, real-world content creation problems that plague the current model. Currently, the Pocket 3 is forced to heavily crop the sensor's image area when a creator switches to the increasingly essential vertical mode for Reels or Shorts, or when capturing in square mode for social media feeds, causing a substantial loss of the original wide-angle field of view and a reduction in image clarity because the native sensor is fundamentally shaped for the horizontal video format. A new, optimized square sensor would grant the Pocket for a substantially larger image capture area to work with across virtually every necessary modern video format, 16:9 for traditional YouTube video, 9:16 for short-form mobile video, and 1:1 for standard social posts, all without the damaging compromise of sacrificing clarity or excessive field of view, providing true format versatility. For the professional and amateur multi-platform creators who must constantly pivot between YouTube long-form, TikTok rapid-fire clips, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this square sensor flexibility is an immense, workflow-saving advantage, allowing them to capture once and deploy across multiple distribution channels with maximum quality, a true SEO boost for their video assets. Moreover, this innovative square sensor architecture might also enable the manufacturer to implement crucial secondary engineering benefits, such as potentially mitigating internal thermal management issues, allowing them to shrink the overall lens assembly footprint, and, most compellingly, potentially making room inside the compact chassis for a revolutionary second camera system. And yes, the long-shot tech leaks mentioning a possible, dedicated telephoto lens option have been circulating for a surprisingly long duration, gaining more momentum with the sensor rumors. If the company successfully manages to incorporate this feature, even a modest 2x or 3x optical zoom lens, it would immediately unlock an entirely new, sophisticated creative angle that the Pocket series has historically lacked, transforming it into a true dual focal length portable production tool. Synthesizing all these high-value Pocket 4 rumors, the huge jump to 6K 30 frames per second for supreme post-production flexibility, the incredible potential for 4K 240p slow motion for stunning high-speed action, the essential 360-degree unlimited panning for professional gimbal movement, the revolutionary square sensor design for ultimate multi-format content versatility, and the whisper of a telephoto dual-lens system for advanced creative shooting, the upcoming device, whatever its final name, truly begins to look less like a minor annual refresh and more like a genuinely new chapter for this class of camera. It signifies a device engineered explicitly for the demands of the modern creator economy. The result is a product promising cleaner inherent image quality, substantially higher working resolution, dramatically stronger slow-motion video, unparalleled format flexibility, unrestricted gimbal performance, all powered by a unique imaging sensor perfectly tuned for today's diverse social video platforms. Nothing within these specifications is officially confirmed yet, but if the collective leak intelligence is even remotely accurate, the manufacturer is finally poised to transform the Pocket series into the truly complete, no-compromise creator video camera the world has been waiting for. A marvel of miniaturization that remains compact, incredibly simple to operate, but is exponentially more capable than any of its predecessors, representing the future of handheld stabilized cameras and delivering an unprecedented tool for vloggers and mobile journalists seeking the highest production value possible in a minimal package. Should the industry chatter regarding a December launch window prove accurate, the coming month will undoubtedly become a period of immense excitement and speculation for every single person invested in professional video production and YouTube success, fundamentally altering the camera gear purchasing decisions of millions of content creators around the globe. Peace out.